If you've accidentally deleted messages on Coinbase and need to recover them, follow these steps to attempt retrieval. Keep in mind that recovery options may vary based on the platform's updates and policies. Step 1. Check email notifications. Look for any email notifications from Coinbase regarding your account activity. Sometimes, important messages are sent to your registered email, which may contain the information you need. Step 2. Access Coinbase support. Visit the Coinbase support page. You can find resources and FAQs that may provide guidance on recovering deleted messages or understanding the platform's data retention policies. Step 3. Use the Coinbase app. If you are using the Coinbase mobile app, check the app settings or message history features. Some apps may store recent messages temporarily, allowing you to retrieve them. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages through the previous steps, reach out to Coinbase customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you are trying to recover and they may assist you further. Step 5. Review security settings. Ensure that your account's security settings are up to date. Sometimes, enabling certain features can help prevent future loss of important messages. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Coinbase may not always be possible, following these steps can help you explore your options. Always keep your account information secure and regularly back up important communications.